Okay, this is a Taft Chemistry first semester in review presentation, and this is by Kole and William. I'm William, this is Kole here, and Mr. R wants us to learn Kole, and you're William, from this is third period chemistry, smile. I've learned to, yeah, sure, an 8. You choose, and here, smile again. Okay, level. The following concepts from my first 12 chapters of our chemistry book. This is not an inclusive list. It is a selection of concepts from each chapter that I will remember. Smile. Okay, here we go. Chapter 1. Intro into Chemistry. Pure chemistry versus applied chemistry. Pure chemistry is a pursuit of chemical knowledge for its own sake, versus applied chemistry, where it is research that is directed toward a practical goal.
Chapter 2, Matter and Change. We did mixtures, and the two types of mixtures that we decided to use was homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous. Homogeneous is uniform throughout, and heterogeneous, the ingredients are not uniform.
Chapter 3 was scientific measurement, and we chose to do weight versus mass. Weight is able to change, like weight depends on your gravitational pull, while mass is always the same.
Chapter 4, Atomic Structure. We chose why the periodic table is useful, because it organizes the elements for us and has beneficial use for scientists.
And chapter 5 was electrons and atoms. This is about the quantum mechanical model, and it determines the allowed energies an electron can have and how likely it is to, what's this say?
Find an electron.
Find an electron in a location.
Chapter 6, the periodic table. We chose 3 types of elements, so metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Nonmetals are very poor conductors, and metalloids have generally equal properties between both.
And in chapter 7, that was called ionic and, what's that?
Metallic.
Yeah, metallic bonded. It says, what is the octet rule? And that's in forming compounds, atoms tend to achieve the electron configuration of a noble gas.
Alright, chapter 8 was covalent bonding, and we chose polar molecule. One end of it is slightly negative and one end is slightly positive, of a molecule being the polar molecule.
Chapter 9 was chemical names and formulas, and that's about cations and anions. And cations have a positive charge, while anions have a negative charge.
Alright, chapter 10, chemical quantities. We chose to talk about the mole, and a mole is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd is 1 mole of a substance, depending on what you choose as a substance.
And let's see, chapter 11, that's about chemical reactions, and you got the different types. You got, let's see, combustion, no, that's combination, huh? And you got combination, reaction, decomposition reaction. You got was a single replacement reaction, double replacement reaction, and you got a combustion reaction.
Alright, and finally chapter 12, stoichiometry, conversion factors and mole ratios is what we talked about. So in chemical calculations, mole ratios are used to convert between moles of reactants or between moles of products.
Sounds pretty good, eh?
Yay!
All right.